Hello, I'd like to order catering for a small office party.
Sure. How many people will attend?
About 15 to 20. We'd like sandwiches, salads, and drinks.
Okay. Do you have any dietary restrictions?
Yes, please include vegetarian and gluten-free options.
Noted. How about desserts? Cookies, cake, or fruit?
A fruit platter would be nice.
Perfect. And what time should we deliver?
By 6 p.m., if possible.
No problem. The total will be $180, including delivery.
I'll pay by card. Wow, these strawberries look so fresh! How much are they?
$5 per basket.
I'll take 2 baskets, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a bunch of bananas, some apples, and a loaf of bread.
Here you go. The apples are $3 per bag.
Yes, I'll take 1 bag. How much is everything?
$12 in total.
Do you accept cards?
Sorry, cash only.
That's okay. Here's $20.
Thank you. Here's your change.
Hi, I have a problem with my sink. It's leaking.
When did it start?
Last night, the water keeps dripping.
Don't worry. I'll check it. The pipe is cracked.
Is it serious?
Not too bad. I just need to replace the pipe.
How long will it take?
Around 30 minutes.
And how much will it cost?
About $60 for labor and parts.
That's fine. Please go ahead.
All right. I'll fix it right away.
Excuse me. I'm looking for a new refrigerator.
Sure. Do you want a big one or a smaller one?
Medium size. With a freezer on top.
Here's a good model. It's energy efficient.
How much is it?
$600 with a 2-year warranty.
Do you offer delivery?
Yes, free delivery within the city.
That's great. Can I pay in installments?
Absolutely. Up to 6 months, no interest.
I'll buy it today.
Hi, can I get a cheeseburger combo, please?
With fries and a drink?
Yes, Coke for the drink.
Would you like to upsize the fries?
No, regular is fine.
Anything else?
A chicken nugget box, please.
Okay, that'll be $11.50.
Here you go. Can I get extra ketchup?
Sure, I'll add some packets for you. Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?
Sure, what size?
Medium. And a slice of cheesecake.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Great. Your total is $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap your card here.
Done. Could you make the cappuccino with oat milk?
Yes, no problem. It'll be ready in 5 minutes.
Thank you.
This lamp looks nice. How much is it?
$20.
Can you give me a discount?
Okay, 15.
Deal. I'll take it. Anything else? I also have books and records. Oh, how much are the books?
$2 each.
I'll take 3. Here's $21.
Hi, how much is this chair?
Only $10.
Is it strong enough to hold weight?
Yes, it's in good condition.
Great, I'll buy it. Do you have a table too?
Yes, $25.
Can you do $20?
Okay, $20.
Perfect, I'll take both. Hi, I'd like to join the gym.
Welcome. Do you want a monthly or yearly membership?
Monthly. Do you have group classes?
Yes, yoga, spinning, and dance.
What about a personal trainer?
We have certified trainers available.
How much is one session?
$30 per session.
That sounds reasonable. I'll sign up today. Hi, can you fix this dress? It's too long.
Sure. Do you want me to shorten it?
Yes, about 5 centimeters.
Okay, it will be ready by Friday.
Also, can you repair this jacket? The zipper is broken.
Of course. That'll be $15 extra.
That's fine. Thank you so much. Hello, my phone screen is broken. Can you fix it?
Yes. What model is it?
iPhone 12.
Okay, it will take 2 hours and cost $120.
Can you also check the battery?
Sure. If it needs replacing, it's $50.
That's okay. I'll come back later. Hi, my car won't start.
Let's check the battery.
Is it serious?
The battery is dead. You need a new one.
How much will it cost?
$150, including installation.
Okay, please go ahead.
Done. Your car will start perfectly now.
Thank you so much.